This is an example of creating a QR code, this little thing here, for the program Sibelius. QR codes are very useful for linking to external media-rich information for printed documents. And by using a mobile device such as an iPhone, you can take a snapshot of this, and using the right application software, it will link straight away to a browser and locate the additional information. In this case here, it's for my arrangement of Click Go the Shears, and I want to place the QR code just here. The process is this. I firstly select what I want to link the content to, in this case a YouTube clip, a movie of my concert choir singing the song. So I copy it. Then I move to a QR code generating site. In this case it's deliver.com. I can simply paste in the code there if I just want it to link to the YouTube site, but alternatively I can select a service from the drop-down menu and it makes a more mobile-friendly landing page. So in this case here, I select YouTube and paste in my address and I say go. Now I can create a title. In this case here, I'll call it Click Go the Shears. And then I enter in a description, which is to enrich the content. I select Finish. I then can download the PNG file. It's downloaded into here. I now want to use that PNG file, must be converted into a TIFF file for it to work in Sibelius. So I've got converthub.com. I then upload the PNG file to convert it, and I'll choose TIFF. It's got a nice little code here to prove that I'm a human, and convert. It says it's done. It's got a little code here. I'll download this. And now it's already gone nicely into my download section. I now navigate back to Sibelius. I go to a graphic, and I locate in my downloads folder this TIFF file that I've just created, and I open it and I paste it where I want. I'll make it a touch smaller, move it across to the position I'm after. I'm now going to print the document, so I go to print here, and I'm just going to print the first page. I'll now open up the iPhone app Red Laser, which is the scanning software that I use from my iPhone, and the printed page that we've just created with the QR code in it. And now I frame the QR code and take a snapshot within that frame in the iPhone, and open it up in a URL. And it's opening it up in Safari, and it's taken us to the landing pad which deliver.com created for us. And it's Click Go the Shears, an arrangement by myself for my Scotch concert choir, shows an experiment using QR codes and content. So this is a really powerful way of embedding additional information into Sibelius scores, printed pages, and of course with our iPhone it becomes even more enriched by linking to other content, in this case YouTube.